my name is Dr. Gina Asaf, and welcome to Tustin Dental Group. We are a private practice located in the city of Testin, proudly serving our communities around us. We are a general and cosmetic practice, but we offer IV sedation, Botox, veneers, extractions, and implants. We also have in-house specialists to serve every need that you may have. We can't wait to meet you. Let's talk implants. Whether you're missing a tooth or you're missing several teeth, implants may be an option for you. An implant procedure is very easy. We place the implant into the bone, we let you heal, and you return to the office a couple months later to place a crown. With that being said, you may need multiple implants. With multiple implants, you can have a denture placed on top to create that beautiful smile for you.